all of us love Lebanese food, right? So here I am making pita pockets where you can stuff in your falafel or just make wraps out of it. Super simple recipe. It's a one straight linear method. So in a bowl, I'm going to take warm water, add in the sweetener and the yeast. Give it a stir and we let this sit aside for 5 to 7 minutes so that the yeast blooms. So if you see our yeast is bloomed, we are going to add our rest flour. Just sieve it. We'll begin mixing. So just get all your flour together and then we'll add in the salt and the oil. So I'll transfer this to the countertop. You just knead it. You can use a stand mixer. So once your dough is come together, you're going to add the salt and the oil. So I'm just going to mix the salt into the oil. Just dilute, mix, and then start rubbing the oil, folding it in. Keep kneading and keep adding the oil in. You see it's not breaking as much, the dough. Take about 5-7 minutes manually. So once your dough is soft and nice, we're going to take a bowl, grease the base and rest the dough for about an hour before we get to making the pitas. Cover with a wet cloth and we'll keep this aside at room temperature. So our pita dough has been resting for a while now. We're just going to punch it, get it on the counter, portion them to the sizes that you want of the pitas. So once you've portioned them, we're going to roll them into rotis. If you feel it's too sticky, you can slightly dust your countertop. So you can either roll them and use them as it is or use a cutter and get them to a perfect shape. And these have to rest, so keep it on a tray. So we have our pitas rolled. We're going to rest this for about 20 minutes and then we're going to bake them. So our pita has been resting for a while and now we're going to bake this in a preheated oven. So our pitas are out of the oven. They are nice and fluffy, and once they slightly cool, I will cut and show you the pockets.